Finally, Nigeria have decided to go back to colonial masters. As it be like this now, they say the national anthem wey all the whole Nigeria come together. Come say na this one we go dey sing now. They say e no good for them again. No, na the one wey British people sing. Na that one they wan start now. So if you know that national anthem wey be Arise O, Compassion, Nigeria won't obey, that one is no longer working again. The one they need now is the one wey colonial masters sing. As it be like this now, some Nigerians don cut chain give those House of Assembly, say why they bring something wey no make sense to Nigeria, wey be say hunger dey for the land. Is it the achievement wey Tinubu wan achieve for them? My people, even this one now wey dey happen, another one still dey happen. They say that the landmark beach wey dey for Lagos, they say after Dave Umahi and the Tinubu and the Lagos government don destroy am finish, say they wan build the road from Lagos to Calabar. As e be like this now, that project they don abandon am. Now they wan go start am from the main original line wey that thing suppose pass. Now Nigerians don open eyes, come tell them say, so you people are doing this thing because he's an Igbo businessman, that's why una wan bring am down. Oh, things dey happen. Well, however, we go jump inside this matter. However, let us go and look into this video wey one man, one Alhaji Biru, they talk for inside House of Assembly. They tell them say, why una go dey bring national anthem issue come outside wey be say hunger dey for the land. And I will play you the video of wetin people respond for the street. May you see wetin dey go on. You don read.
I don't know how this national anthem even affect the well-being of the common man in Nigeria. Let's be realistic. How this one will support the government to stop either hunger, banditry, or improve insecurity. To us, let's do what is beneficial to the common man, and this honorable chamber is the only, for now, standing on a formidable force, a point for the common man of Nigeria. So Nigerians are looking up to us. I concur with the minority leader. Let's look up something that will bring a development in the eyes of the international community to Nigeria. People are discussing nanotechnology, Internet of Things. We are still discussing national anthem. There was a saying that says countries that relies on prayers and other things will always depend on the countries that do think. Please, let's think something that will bring progress, prosperity, stability to the economy of this nation and to improve the lives of common man in Nigeria.
Thank you. Okay, let's hear from Honorable John.
Is that the problem of Nigeria, to bring back national anthem while Nigerians are suffering? The 1 year of Tinubu is a hell experience. Problem, sufferings, Nigerians are hungry, people are dying, security at its highest peak. And what the National Assembly could only contemplate is to pass a bill to bring back a discarded national anthem, if I may use the word.
See, God bless you for your question. See, I already told you before you ask that question, I said, here is a country that have no reality of the humanity. The country no reality of the humanity. See, that's why they mess up. See what they bring now. Is that our problem? Where's the real problem? The grand propaganda. It's a government of propagation. Propaganda. They bring things that let you say, yeah, nah, lie. They're all liars, bunch of liars. They are criminal. See, they are supposed to be executed. And one day they will be executed. You know why? Because they make Nigeria, millions of Nigeria, poverty level, hungry, suffering, die. Now bring law when you get ahead. You want to bring things when you get ahead. Is that what we need? We need reality of basic of humanity is food. Who no chop, who no create power to talk. I'm talking to you now because of the mercy of God. Nigeria don't feed me. Don't feed me. God feed us. Why? When God don't bless Nigeria with all the mineral resources in the whole world to live, and now we don't live. We have National Assembly, bunch of criminals in National Assembly. bunch of departments of criminality, fraudsters. They use pen to write millions of money for their pockets. They bring national anthem. You see, one day they will lock them for inside Moro and they will carry them for execution. See my face, only one for back. I never go back carry me now. His truth will set you free. Nigeria is above this kind of realm. We are too big for this kind of suffering. Hell, Nigeria, giant of Africa, the most populous black nation on earth, Nigeria, blessed with all mineral resources. We don't have food to eat. Before you eat one day, once a day, we thank God. And Abuja, they budget trillions, billions, borrow, where is money? See, God will arrive for their house. And God will arrive for them and they will hear them. Except they change their language before God arrive for them. And God will discipline them.
Could it be said that they are taking Nigerians for granted? Because at the end of the day, Nigerians are not doing anything to hold them responsible.
People want to do something and they want to rock. Nigeria is a country that believes that God did. God go do them. How long? I don't want that. I don't want coin. Papa dey for us. I just want that. I want enjoy. I just build house. Some people don't build house. Some people they suffer. Okay, say move fight. Nigeria is a problem on itself.
How can you rate the government of Tinubu the next 1 year? What has that? How can you rate the government of Tinubu the next 1 year? What has that been to you?
God will bless you. If I want to rate government of Tinubu, let me tell you the reality. Now zero. See, when people are shouting of suffering, what's the meaning of government? Government is supposed to reduce the capacity of the demonic hardship that Nigeria are facing and increase it. You say if you don't increase it, Nigeria will bankrupt. Is that a statement? Okay, where did you came from? When you were coming, we bring a language of renewed hope. The hope will now come. But the other one was focused. Now, and you came, you destabilize the hope. Say you are a president. You are not a president. You are president for your pocket and your co-people. They chop the money in there. Millions no chop 3 times a day. Is that good? Is bad? See, the truth will set you free, but the truth is bitter. Reality. Nigeria, suffer, jaga. Every day they die Sarah for hungry. And you say you be president, be jagaba, you be lion body long. Anything when I talk the reality from heaven. And heaven back me up. Nigeria is not happy with you. They're not happy with the president. They're not happy with the government. The government is zero. First star hope. Renew hope is a scam. It's a motherfucker. It's a scam. Renew hope is a scam. Tell the whole world. I say it's a scam. Nobody's renew hope yet. Suffering and smiling. It don't pass suffering and smiling. Fella, they come up with your blessed baby. This suffering and smiling. I mean, yeah, now it don't pass times 100. You see, we are Nigeria. I don't be Cote d'Ivoire. I don't be Burkina Faso. I don't be Jamaica. I don't be America. I be Nigeria. I will say you the truth. We feel bad here. We feel bad. We feel hungry. We feel sufferness. No truth here. Truth lost. Yeah. That's why we don't have the reality to live as a Nigeria.
Truth is lost in Nigeria.
It's lost here. No truth here. The truth exists. You don't go see this kind of situation because the truth is lost. You now paint. And God Almighty, what a great God you are. You must set me and you free forevermore.
Thank you so much.
God will bless you.
Is that the problem of Nigeria to bring back national anthem?
Nigeria is the more you look, the less you see. Any day the youth stop looking for money and say, let's call a spade. Mean it. Anybody who want to destroy the movement by stealing, that person go buy put. That day Nigeria will be good. But if the youth continue chasing money and say, let's keep managing, you will manage forever until you old. Your children will come and manage until they old. If this our generation cannot stop this, our children and our four children cannot stop it. But thank God that where I'm from, we have taken our bold step. We need freedom and freedom is what we fight for. That's all. Let me show you. This is a landmark beach where this man, they use him brother to fight him brother. Now, the landmark beach front which they destroy is no longer where the road is passing. The road is going back to the main draft. You see? Let me just show you. Maybe the cable you are seeing that pass inside water is what they see. And they say, no, this road cannot pass here. Things are happening. Nigeria, my people, I beg, share this video and make sure say you follow this channel for more updates.